everyone, I'm gonna quickly show you how I do sash window rails without painting the ropes and painting the actual windows. The front window and the back window. Actually getting this painted, a lot of people just leave this out because they don't know how to get to it. So this is how you do it, how I do it. First, we're gonna paint this front window. The way I do it, it's like this. To do so, I'll use small roller just to apply paint on it, like that. Reason why, roller applies paint equally everywhere and you don't make miss outs. And then I lay it off like with 60mm brush, like this. For now we're gonna just paint this face, not the top. The reason for that you will see later on. When you're painting next to the glass, make sure you don't paint actual glass, and then you have to scrape it off later on. You're gonna get in there like this. Cover all the little spots that are not covered, and then again lay it off. Same with the sides. I hold the brush like I'm at the window on 45 degrees like that, and I just lean my hand on the brush and pull easy. With this window I have to be very careful because there's a clear at the outside. So I have to be careful not to paint that clear. I have to check it every time. This is one of the reasons I didn't paint the top, so I can put my hand there and push the window down. And push this window up. And then I get this part exposed so I can do it. Start from the sides, finish them off. When you go into the corner, this is how I do it, and get in the like this. You get into the corner, so you don't paint the glass. Same with these ones. You push the brush down. This we're gonna do with the roller. And then top. And off. That. So we're still gonna leave that top not painted. Have a wet rag ready to wipe off the paint on the clear, like this. Like that. Now we're gonna do inside window. So we're gonna just do this part, face part. Gonna use the roller. Same thing. get in there, in the corners. Don't paint the glass. Lay it off. Always have on your mind that this is clear at the back there, so you don't want to get it dirty. But after you finish this, always check. This is only when you do two different finishes of paint, on inside and outside. Or when you do just one color, the same color, it don't have to do that, checking it all the time, and only can check it for the cries if there's any cries there. That's the only reason. Get into the corner like that. Lay it off. Get in the corner. Paint front now, face. Now I'm gonna push these windows down. You see, that's why I did not paint this top, so I can touch it. Push it all the way down, but not to touch timber. Same with this one. All the way down. Now we're gonna paint the rails. This is how you get the perfect line. As you can see. As you can see, I never put the normal gap inside here because of the moving windows. Sometimes it's not enough space, and the moment you put a normal gap in there, the windows get stuck, they can't move up and down. So that's the reason why. And another reason is when they have to repair these ropes and the weight at the back of the window, they have to remove these timbers. And if you put the normal gap in, you're gonna make someone else's life hell. So you don't want to do that. And this is how I paint rail inside without painting the rope. So what you do, you just pull it up like that, and move it on the side like this, and then you paint it. Paint this side. Move it on that side. If this bit gets painted, doesn't matter because that's the bit that's inside. You don't see that bit. There you go. Same with this one. Just repeat the process on the other side. That's how you paint the rails without painting the ropes. Now I'm gonna paint the top of this window, and I'm gonna do it with the roller first. Morning, mate. Good. Then I'm gonna paint this window here, the top. Again with the roller. Lay it off. Once again, there's a clay. It's a clay on the other side. You have to be careful when you paint this bit. Now I'm gonna push this window up and this window up all the way. Why not to touch the timber up there? Leave it there. And I'm gonna paint this window here underneath. Here it is. That's how you do sash window. If you do these windows differently, please leave the comments. Or if you know any other better way, I'd be happy if you leave some comments so I can learn something. Thank you for watching.